Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how I organize my eyeshadow palettes because you guys wanted me to do more organization videos, so I decided that I would do that for you guys. Basically what I'm doing is I'm going through each of my palettes and deciding what order I want them, if I want to move them around or anything. I'm starting off with my very first eyeshadow palette organizer that I got off of Amazon. I really recommend going on Amazon if you're looking for eyeshadow palette holders because they do have some very good ones. I usually pay around 30 bucks for them and I really like them. If you guys can't tell, I love things like this, the mermaid patterns. These are also like my favorite single shadows. I like to keep this where I can see it so I know where it is when I want to use it. I actually ended up reorganizing quite a bit, which I'm quite happy with. I really like eyeshadow palettes, as you guys know. I love them to pieces. I just don't get a lot of use out of them simply because I'm in a lot of pain most of the time. So I actually just went 3 weeks without doing my makeup, but I did my makeup twice today and I absolutely loved it. So as you guys can see, I'm literally just organizing the palettes, moving them around, deciding what I want to do with them. I do have a lot of space in this particular eyeshadow palette holder since I did declutter a few more palettes, so I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do, and we all know sometimes that is not easy. You guys wanted me to do a voiceover for these videos, but I don't know what I'm supposed to say. You guys can see what I'm doing. I'm literally just moving the palettes around and seeing what I want to do. I like the tallest palettes at the back and the smallest ones at the front. I like having a sort of gradient just so that I can see everything so that I know that it's there. I definitely have more of a problem with products that I can't see often. So this is how my second eyeshadow palette organizer worked out. I actually really like how I organized it. And now we are going to move over to my eyeshadow palette organizer that I use for stuff that I couldn't fit over where I want to. And I'm literally taking everything that I want to be closer to where I can see it, and I'm going to be moving them back over there. The first palette we have is the Blue Blood palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I love this palette, but it's so freaking bulky that I've always had problems trying to fit it over here because it won't fit in my By Allegory eyeshadow palette holder that doesn't have the moving things, whereas the one that has the space, if I open it up enough, I can put it in there, which is what I did, as you guys can see. And then I'm just going through all of the eyeshadow palettes that I'm decluttering and stuff, and I'm literally just moving them to the side so that I can focus on the eyeshadow palettes that I do want over there. For instance, I have most of my ColourPop single shadows in this Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette holder, but it's so big that I haven't been able to put it anywhere. But now that I reorganized, I can have it on my vanity so I can actually utilize the shadows, which makes me very happy. And then basically any eyeshadow palettes that I don't think I'm going to get much use out of or that I'm decluttering, I'm just putting back up on my other eyeshadow palette holder because I don't need them. This might actually be my favorite eyeshadow palette holder. It's the same one as the second one, but this has my ColourPop eyeshadow palettes. It has my bigger Jeffree Star palettes. It has my highlighter palettes. I absolutely adore this side. So as you guys can see, I'm trying to organize stuff. I'm trying to fit everything in. I'm trying to figure out where I can put the Brain Freeze palette, and I'm so sorry that my fat ass arm is in the way while I'm organizing. I will do a better job next time, but I absolutely adore everything I have over here. So as you guys can see, I'm just trying to fit it all in and to get it to look pretty and look good so I know that everything is where I want it to be. Yeah, so this is literally how it looks. I'm absolutely stoked for how I was able to make all of them look so pretty. I love how it turned out. I usually don't have a very clean vanity, so when I can get everything where I want it, I'm super happy. This is all of the eyeshadow palette organizers done. What do you guys think? I absolutely adore how it turned out, like, because I can see everything that I may want to use, so I think that's a bonus. If you enjoyed this video, please comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. I'd really appreciate it. Always need video ideas. Make sure you subscribe. Go follow my Instagram, Makeup by Tasha XO, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.